In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online. If you are using QuickBooks Time to track hours, and you also manage your finances in QuickBooks Online, connecting the two can help make your workflow smoother. You can sync the information so time entries and service items flow in the right direction without extra manual work. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. Open your browser, go to your QuickBooks Online login page, and sign in to the company file you want to connect. Make sure you are in the correct account, because the integration you set up will apply to that specific QuickBooks Online company. Next, go to the Time menu and select Overview. In the QuickBooks Online navigation, look for the Time section. When you click Time, you should see an Overview option. This area is where QuickBooks shows connection status and setup options for QuickBooks Time, so it is the right place to begin. Now, click Get Started or Set Up Now on the QuickBooks Time tile. When you land on the Overview page, you should see a tile specifically related to QuickBooks Time. Depending on your screen, the button may say Get Started or Set Up Now. Click that option to begin the integration process. Taking this action is what prompts QuickBooks to walk you through the linking steps. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to link your accounts. This part typically includes confirming which QuickBooks Time account you are connecting and making sure QuickBooks has the permissions it needs. As you move through the prompts, pay attention to what you are asked to connect and verify that it matches your business setup. If you see options about access or connection scope, review them carefully, because those choices determine what information can be shared. Once your accounts are connected, you are ready to adjust settings so everything syncs correctly. At this point, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon. The gear icon is usually located in the upper area of QuickBooks Online. Taking you from the setup flow into Settings is important because it is where you enable the specific service items that link the two platforms. From Settings, click Account Setting, and then click Time. This sequence helps you get to the specific time configuration page. Look for the section that mentions Time, because that is where QuickBooks lets you control how service items are handled between QuickBooks Time and QuickBooks Online. Next, click Edit and turn on the service items between the two platforms. On the Time Settings page, find the option that controls service items. Click Edit so you can change the setting. Then enable the service items to connect them between the two systems. This step matters because it controls how items are associated during syncing, which helps keep your records consistent. Finally, click Save to finalize the integration and sync your data. After you click Save, QuickBooks will process the changes and sync the information. Allow a few moments for the sync to complete. If you notice any status indicators, wait until the system confirms the connection is active, especially before you rely on the synced data for reporting or invoicing. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.